Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move, and when you stop and think about the fact that just a couple of days ago the price was all the way down there, now all of a sudden the price managed to work its way up there. Like I said, any rational person would say, yeah, that's definitely been a good, strong move, but that does lead to the valid question now going into next week. But is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here around approximately 0.042. So why is 0.042 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about this. If the price were to go down to 0.042 and then just continue on down, from a very literal perspective, what would you have? Well, you would literally have the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it's already broken out from. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price goes down, however, in this situation behaves like that, and then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 0.042. What about levels of resistance going forward? In terms of where the sellers are at, as of right now, it's all about that 5-cent mark. If you go back through the history of things, well, first off, we'll just start with today. You can see that's right where the price got rejected from there, but then you go back into the history and you can see quite a bit of congestion right around that area again. So I'm not saying 5 cents can't be broken. I'm just saying that, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break above 5 cents, but be able to stay up above it. All in all, though, very, very impressive movement today. Now it's just a question going into next week of can the price build upon this momentum? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.